Hi, John here. Today's tutorial is about making a cool looking shader that can be easily manipulated and only takes a few seconds to make. To see the real value of this material, let's make something that looks like a ball of mucus. Just subdivide a cube and then the displace modifier. Add a new texture and in the material settings, change the type to clouds. Then just tweak those values a little bit until you get something that looks wobbly. Great! Also, a subdivision surface on top of everything will make it look better. Once you're happy with the result, go into the shading editor and create a new material. Now, for this we're going to need the principal BSDF and an emission shader. You can combine them with a mix shader. Pretty easy, huh? Change the base color for both of them. Just make sure one of them is slightly different. Nothing interesting is happening at the moment, but if you add a layer weight and a color ramp, you can start changing these values until you get something that looks cool. If you want, you can also animate the size of the displace modifier. This will make it look like it's deforming. You can use this shader for lots of things, like for example Rick's Portagon, radioactive fluid, boogers, or for your food. But this has lots of calories, so I wouldn't really suggest eating that. Oh, and by the way, subscribe if you found this useful. Also, we're waiting for you in the Discord channel, so what are you waiting for? Hop in, we'll be glad to have you on board. Hope I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye!